So good day guys, welcome back to this channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, guys, please make sure you click on that subscribe button, like, share, also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. If you are yet to follow me on Telegram, check the comment section. You'll see a link to my Telegram channel. Follow me on my Telegram channel. I'll be putting out tons of information. Yeah, so let's take a look at what JPY will be giving us this week. So my prediction for this week is a bullish move. So I would want to see this EURJPY hit a level of 151.577. Possibly we are very much likely to break above it, or we start seeing price falling from that level, which I can't really tell. But right now, we are still on a bullish move. I mean, when you take a look at your 4-hour time frame, you can see price trading above your 10 period simple moving average, above the 20 period, and also above the 50 period. So definitely what we should be looking at is an opportunity for us to go long, to take a buy. So that is exactly what we'll be doing till this price eventually come to this ice. Then we can now see if eventually maybe price will break above it, or we might see a reversal movement at this level. So if you take a look at this movement right now, price is still going bullish. So since we are still expecting to come to this level, this top here, that should be about 80 pips. So I mean, we are very much likely to grab 80 pips on Euro JPY. All you just have to do is just wait for a correction, by the way. So if you want, you can just wait for a correction, and one more movement will be made to go up on Euro JPY. So basically, aim for 70, I would say 70 pips. But if price give us a correction, at least there will be more pips for us to actually grab. But I will actually tell you to aim to take your profit at 75, 80 pips. That is it. And just risk small, probably 20 pips risk. By the way, so if in case you need an entry point for this trade, exit point, the stop loss, all you just have to do is become one of my Patreon subscriber. Then you'll be able to get access to those trades, because there we are putting out tons of information and trade will be taken. So if in case you're interested, just become one of my Patreon subscribers, so you get access to some of those trades we'll be putting out there.